Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to remove ads from MX Player. So the first method is actually to use the MX Player's Pro version. So you can actually pay and get the legit version of MX Player, and that version won't run any ads. So the fact that an app is free don't simply imply you won't pay for it in another way. So this way will actually remove the ads, and it costs $5.99. So the next method is to actually download MX Player Pro Mode APK. So you need to actually search for APK done, and from here, from this website, you can actually search for MX Player and you can download the modded MX Player. Also, the third method is to actually use a good ad blocker to remove ads from the MX Player. So there's some actual good Android ad blockers, but I don't really prefer this method because usually it doesn't work in all of the apps. So some apps that you can use is Adaway, AdBlock Plus, AdGuard, AdLock, and Block This. Also, you can try to reduce MX Player's background data. So if you reduce the background data, sometimes it will stop the ads for a little while. So you need to go to settings and then you need to go to app management, I'll see from here. Then you need to go to background data and turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.